أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brother Habib.
I noticed some harakat extension because I was in Masjid. They said if there's preposition or harfurjal,
This guy coming here in your level and he's having a bit higher. MashaAllah. Tell me.
then kalima, it should be a kasra, right?
Okay, I will give you an example.
So
This is an example. أنا ذهبت إلى المسجد. This is the one you mean. Kasra because of harful jar.
so
Ila.
I want to know if there's no harfurjal, so how can it that this kalima should be
All right, I understand. And then I will change another sentence. Ra a ra'aitul masjida.
masjid. Wait, because masjidan.
This is what you mean. It is not your level. So anyway, any word after harful jar, the last letter of the word will be always kasrah. Except if, like for example, أنا ذهبت إلى المستشفى. Mustashfa. See that? There is no kasra here. No kasra. This is the kasra is hidden because of this alif maksura. But still, if the spelling of the word is not like having alif maksura in the end, of course, every last letter will be always kasra.
Sorry, what are we talking about?
This is Arabic grammar. And then ra'aitul masjida, why not kasra? Because here masjida is maf'ulun bihi. What is maf'ulun bihi in English? That's the subject of the action. The action that I did will be pointing to the thing that is masjid, and everything that I am doing, like for example, akhadtul qalama, I took the pen. So last letter of the pen is mim, fathah, qalama. Darabtu tawilata, fathah. Okay, خلاص. That's different, Habib. A bit higher in level in studying the Arabic language. Now, ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome back to our what do you call this? Quran, the Arabic language of the Quran lesson. Yeah, that's it. The Arabic language of Quran lesson. Ad-dars al-rabi'. Al-rabi' taken from the word arba'a, as what I said before, when we count a number, واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة, right? But, sorry. If we want to say in order, first, second, third, fourth, it will be, instead of saying واحد, you say أول. Al-awwal. Number 2, instead of saying 2, you say second, al-thani. 3, instead of 3, al-thalith, thalath. All right? 4, arba'a, instead of arba'a, الرابع. خمسة, 5, الخامس. And this one next is changed, very far away. 6 in Arabic is? 6 in Arabic is? Sitta. Sitta, right? But when it comes to in order, instead of saying sitta, you say? Look at it, I will show you. Yes, as-sadis, very good. See, the next, al-khamis, as-sadis, sudus, as-sudus, as-sadis, the sitta. Sab'a is as-sabi'. Yes. Very good try, Habib, mashallah. Habib is, you studied before?
No, my coworker.
MashaAllah. Advantage, huh? MashaAllah. So keep up. If you got the top one here, you will be getting 2,000 dirhams. You will fight? You will fight? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Great. Muhammad. Good? Alhamdulillah. All right. الدرس الرابع, lesson 4 or fourth lesson. What do we have in fourth lesson? Mad. When we say mad in Arabic, put in mind that is talking about the prolongation. Okay? It is not a person that you know somewhere named Mad. Who is Mad? Sorry. All right. So, we are talking about the places where we prolong. Arabic words, the prolongation might be in, so like for example, any consonant letter here, and then the next letter will be a prolongation point. First letter of the word, then the second letter is prolongation, either alif, either waw, alif a, or waw u, or ya e. Then consonant letter. Depends on what kind of word or Arabic word, right? And some others, consonant letter, and then here, any of the long vowels to prolong, a, or u, or e, right? That's it. And then consonant letter, depends. So like for example, in Arabic words that has no prolongation, words that has one prolongation point, words that has maybe two prolongation points. All right? So like for example, alif, fatha, a, ra, sukun, ar, nun, and ba. Nun, fatha, na, then ba, tanwin, dhamma, bun. Ar, na, bun. Is there any prolongation? No prolongation. So in this case, especially we are reading the Quran, any word from the Quran that has no prolongation, we don't prolong. Like for example, in Surah, one second, I will show you. In Surah Al-Fatiha, Surah Al-Fatiha, here, we can hear many of Muslims reciting like this. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu. Prolong on na'budu. Why you prolong here? Is there any prolongation in between na'budu waw? No. Because the next waw is with fatha. Waw here is not prolongation, but a consonant letter. Consonant letter always be having either sukun or fatha'a, or kasra'i, or damma'u, those are consonant letters. Waw without vowel, that is prolongation. U. Alif that has no vowel, that is prolongation. A. The ya that has no vowel, that is prolongation. I. Ar-Rahim. Once the alif will be accompanied with any of the vowels, either sukun or fatha or kasra'i or damma'u, alif will be consonant. Waw with fatha'a, kasra'i, damma'u, wawiwu, or waw that has sukun. Alif, fatha'a, a, waw, sukun, aw. Aw, right? Aw in Arabic, in English, we translate it as or. Like for example, if I want to ask you, which of the two things that you like? In Arabic, I will say, أيهما من هذين الشيئين تريدون؟ هل الكأس أو القلم? Which of the two things that I have that you like? The cup, the glass, or the pen? The pen, right? So waw here with sukun, that waw is consonant and not long vowel. All right? So clear. Now, so that is the function of mad. The mad tabi'i, we have in Arabic, we called, or you can say in tajweed, mad tabi'i and mad far'i. Why that kind of mad prolongation? Mad tabi'i, it is the original prolongation, natural, normal. So what are those normal, natural prolongations? Prolongation letters? Alif, a. Okay, we can. The alif, a, the normal, right? Alif, a, waw, u, ya, i. Those are the normal prolongation letters. But in the case there will be a mad far'i, you will find this prolongation alif, there will be this line on the top. There will be something that you can see. Something that you can see. Accompanied with any of the prolongation letters, alif, waw, or ya. And those are not fatha'a, not kasra'i, not damma'u, and neither not sukun. That will be belong to the mad far'i, another branch of prolongation that indicates you to prolong more, maybe 5 counts or 6 counts. Yes, the symbol. And there are also signs for that. Why we prolong more than 2. The original or natural mad, alif, waw, and ya, only having 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. This 2, huh? This is not sungkit. Alright. 2 counts. A, u, I, only 2 counts. Then, when it comes to far'i, there will be additional counts, 5 counts. Or 6 counts. Waladdallin. 6 counts. 6 counts on waladdallin. Then another 6 counts for lin. But this and mad arid li sukun waladdallin, optional. You can prolong for 2 waladdallin, 2 or 4 Waladdallin. Or 6. Lin. That's it. Optional. Okay? So, and that is applicable in every mad arid lisukun when you are going to end. Okay? So, proceed. Now, in this case, maddu harakatil fathi. Mad with a vowel fatha. Mad with a vowel fatha. Ah. Ah? 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 Ah. Right? Bil alif. Of course, what I said before. Look at here. Look at it, brothers. Look at here. Look. The long vowel fatha, the long vowel alif, any consonant letter here, it will be always fatha. Ah. Maddun. بحركة الفتح. At the waw, any consonant letter here, the short vowel will be always dhamma. Ooh. And for the ya, any, this is kasrah here. E. Ahsan ya Muhammad. Clear? So, can I change this fatha to here? Can I change instead of dhamma for u, waw, prolongation to fatha? In this case, this waw will be no longer a long vowel. It will transform into consonant. So, like for example, the consonant letter here is alif fatha. Then the next is, you are thinking of this waw is what? Prolongation waw? No, it will be aw. And in this case, actually, a kind of consonant, because it is having a specific pronunciation, aw. Also, ya, ay. But actually, brothers, this is another type of prolongation that we called in Arabic madlin. Do you know who is madlin? There are a lot of madlin, yes. In America you can find her. In America, no. Madlin. That's why in Surah Quraysh, li'ilafi Quraysh. So you are having prolongation 2 counts, Quraysh. إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف. صيف. أو الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. خوف. So we call that actually madlin. So for you to remember always that kind of prolongation, remember who is madlin. Madlin. Yes, the word.
Confused. So, because it's sukun in the end,
This one.
but then there's still prolongation in the pronunciation.
The prolongation is 2 counts. Aw. Khawf. But if it is in the end of the surah, like end of the verse, like وَآمَنَهُمْ مِنْ خَوْفٍ, that is considered as mad arid sukun. You can prolong until 6. But the original prolongation point of that is only 2 counts.
But I heard, many times in Quran, wow, but it's not prolong. Example, qalu.
That's different. Qalu, prolongation alif. Lam wow. This is prolongation that has no anything. Mad. Mad. It is not qalau. It is lam damma'u lu. What is the next? What is the mad? What do you call this? What is the vowel? What's the vowel here before the mad wow, the prolongation wow? Always wow, right? Dhamma, right? Always dhamma. What is the vowel here? Wow, right? Wow, dhamma, right? Any of the consonant letter, it must be always dhamma. And then the next letter is prolongation. It's the same. So qalu lu. Okay? Clear? Clear, huh? Sure. Let us proceed. Okay. So, what we are studying now is maddu harakatil fathi bil alif. Bil alif. But this one is not that regular alif. But it is al-maqsurah. Al-maqsurah. The same mustashfa ended with alif maqsurah. Musa ended with alif maqsurah. Isa ended with alif maqsurah. But prolongation, the same application with normal alif. Normal alif. Standing alif. Okay? So, brothers, look at here. So how we read it? A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, until the end you say ya, ya, and brothers. Take note. There are two differences between I'll show you. The normal prolongation alif and the alif maqsurah. Okay? Take note. All prolongations, it will never come. They will never come from the beginning of the word. There will be no prolongation from the beginning of the word. Ahmadi? Jaburi? Sah? There is? Really? Any Arabic word, any Quranic word, prolongation will never be showing in the beginning of the word. Show me. Bismillah. Challenge. Habib, mashallah, Allah barik fik, mashallah, tabarakallah. Start with noon. I'm sweating. I don't know, I'm sweating. Take him out. Finish? Finish? I will kill you. Done? All right. Problem. That's between me and him. All right. Habib, what I said, Jaburi, Hamudi, Isa, Abdullah. Sino yung isa? Ikaw? Abdullah. Ano yung pangalan mo sa passport name mo?
Kent.
Ikaw si Kent. Ikaw si? Clint. Yun. Si Kent at saka si Clint. Yeah. Nakakalimutan ko itong dalawang to eh. Masya Allah. Alright.
Alif provision for ya or alif?
This is alif maksura. And first, remember always what he said? Prolongation alif a, prolongation waw u, prolongation ya i. It will never come from the beginning of any Arabic word or Quranic word. It will never come. Okay, Habib? Guaranteed until the day of judgment.
Sir, the day of judgment will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, when the day of judgment comes, ask Allah if there is prolongation in the beginning of the word. Because Brother Muhammad said it will never come. There is no prolongation in the beginning of any of the Arabic words and the Quranic words. Never will come. Jaburi, Hamudi, guaranteed? No guarantee? Yes, you can give. Sorry, you can give. You can. My pen fell down. That's the part 1, and then the part 2 is there. All right. Okay. Find it. Okay. Number 2, brothers. Look at here. Look at here. Yes, tell me. Ya is consonant. Ya is consonant letter with fatha. Ya. All right. Oi, mashallah, hello sahlan. Salatul barakatuh. All right, brothers, look at here. What is that?
Long vowel satu. That's it.
What is this? Starts with ya with fatha.
There's a sign. Ya ayuhan.
What is the beginning of the word? Letter?
Ya.
Ya. Consonant or long vowel? Ya is consonant or long vowel? Adawud? Ya here, consonant or long vowel? Ya has vowel ya. See the difference, okay? Prolongation alif, any consonant letter here will be start with having fatha then next wow. Any consonant letter here will be always dhamma and then ya. Any consonant letter here will be always having kasra i to prolong i. I. Example, here is ya. Ya fatha. Prolongation alif. How you say? Ya. Alif here is prolongation, but alif. Ya here is consonant. Consonant. Ya here is consonant and not long vowel. Khalas? All right, very good. Now, so this now guaranteed. Okay?
So this is still prolonged, but not the ya, rather the alif is the prolonged.
Ya ayyuha. Ya is the consonant letter with short vowel fatha ya.
That's what I mean.
And then prolongation here.
So it's two prolonged, what you call this, 2 letters that are normally prolonged, but the first one is used as a short consonant, rather the second one is the prolonged vowel.
Yes. This is the consonant, the next one is the long vowel for you to prolong. But what I am saying is any Arabic word, even in the Quran.
Some sweets also is there.
Yeah, you can distribute, no problem.
No, not distributing. They must.
All right, after, inshallah. After. All right. Please tell me when my time is up, okay?
Break time.
Yeah, it's very
No break time? Subhanallah. All right. All right. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. This is the guarantee. Prolongation will never comes from any beginning of the word, Arabic word or Quranic word. Number 2, prolongation alif will be always coming either in the middle or in the end. Okay? Brothers, prolongation alif will come in the middle of the word or in the end of the word. Ana. All right? Ana. See? Ana, end. But, number 3, the difference between normal prolongation alif and alif maksura. Alif maksura it will never come from the beginning of the word, and in the middle of the word it will not come. It will come always in the end of the word. Okay? Prolongation, alif maksura. Brothers, it will come to your quiz or exam. Alif maksura will be always coming, applicable in the end of any Arabic word or Quranic word that ends with alif maksura. Alif maksura will never come in the beginning the same like alif normal alif, and it will never come in the middle of the word. All right? But it comes always in the end, alif maksura.
In the space
Yes.
to prolong.
Yes, to prolong. But that is always coming only in the last letter of the word. Always last letter of the word. That is alif maksura. While the alif, normal alif, will come either in the middle of the word or in the last letter of the word. Applicable. But the alif maksura only in the last letter of the word. Okay? So, you have that exercises. Tara, ama. This is the connecting letters. Tara, ama, hawa, mata. Mata, that means when the time is up, it is now ended. شكرا والله أعلم وجزاكم الله كل خير وسبحان الله بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حبيب